All right, so I wanted to show you guys this. You can pick these up at survivalist.at, and it is actually really neat. Little survival pack, comes with a bunch of fishing line. You can fit these in your wallet, throw them into your survival bag. Comes with a bunch of these things, and they're actually really cool. You got a fork. This is the part that I'm most interested in. It's that little knife. I think that part is really neat. It's got a neat little carrying bag. You can just drop all these in there. Toss that right into your go bag or whatever. You can pick these up right at survivalist.at. If you use discount code ARMORY10, you get 10% off. Actually a really good deal. I am planning on trying to put this together, and I'm going to catch a fish with it. At least try to anyway, see how that works out. Like I said, head on over there, check these out, link in the description. I'll just go ahead and open this one up because I think it's really neat. You just snap these out of here. Like I said, this is the one that I'm most interested in. I think that's really cool. So, get a little arrowhead in there. That is pretty cool. Some fishing hooks. Again, great little product for your go bag. So head on over, check it out. Discount code ARMORY10 at checkout and get 10% off.